Hi there, students. Authoritarian. Okay, authoritarian is an adjective. Let's see. If I use authoritarian, I'm criticizing. I'm saying that you are demanding that people obey absolutely and immediately, and you're not allowing them any freedom to act as they wish. So I think being authoritarian as a teacher is not my style. Yeah, an authoritarian regime, an authoritarian government. His way, the boss's way of dealing with the office is extremely authoritarian. You do that now. That's authoritarian. Yeah. Okay. So authoritarian, an adjective. Authoritarianism, anti-authoritarian. This is linked to the word authority. Yeah. So authoritarian, demanding strict obedience to an authority. Yeah. So, for example, in political systems, authoritarianism is where the state tells you what to do. Yeah, there is very strong power within the status quo, and people don't have a lot of say in what happens. You can have autocratic authoritarianism. This is a dictator where one person tells everybody what they must do. Or an oligarchic authoritarianism, where there is a group of people who tell everyone what to do, like a political party or a military junta or something like that. So authoritarianism. Yes, authoritarian socialism. This is a socialist country where the will of the party, or the will, is what everybody must do. Yeah. Okay. So authoritarianism. There's no real rule of law. I really dislike authoritarian people. Yeah, they are autocratic, dictatorial, totalitarian, despotic. They're dictatorial. Yeah, because if somebody's authoritarian, they don't care what everyone else thinks, what everyone else wants to do. They just tell people what to do, and that's the end of it. Yeah, you must obey. Yeah, you are an authoritarian regime demands strict obedience in all things, and you have no personal freedom. Okay, so yeah, your authoritarianism. This is requiring blind submission to authority. Let's see, authoritarian parents which tell children exactly what they must and mustn't do. They don't allow them any leeway to choose what they're going to do or how they're going to do it. Yes, so in an authoritarian regime, there is a concentration of power in the leader or an elite, and they are these are the people who make the decisions, and they're not constitutionally responsible to the people. They do what they want. So authoritarian control, an authoritarian figure, authoritarian leadership, authoritarian power. Yeah, so this word authoritarian is criticizing. It's saying that the people in charge control everything. They don't let people decide for themselves. Yeah, obedience to authority. Yeah, government by a single person or by a small elite who can make people do anything. Okay, so formality, authoritarian. 6, informality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And as to origin, well, it comes from authority, with Arian on the end. The word authority comes from Latin auctoritas, meaning opinion, command, advice, from auctor, a master, a leader, an author. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Authoritarian.